In this video, I'm going to give you best 5 art tips to improve your art. Follow these tips and understand what I mean in this video. Drawing is the hobby or skill, but most of the people do it wrong but don't. I will you guys to get better at it. I was the beginner too, I was also making the same mistake, but time by time my art started improving. So let's start the video. Tip number 1, use the basic shapes. Shapes are the foundation in art. Drawing shapes and lines will make your wrist more controlling. It means that your hand will be free so that you'll be able to draw smoothly and you'll have an idea why lines and shapes are important. Draw parallel lines and vertical lines, circles more and more. Tip number 2, don't start with drawing directly. You're already a beginner. Drawing without guidance will just make your drawing worse because you guys don't have that experience to measure those figures. Freehand method doesn't work for beginners. So instant drawing without guidance, follow tip number 1. Shapes. So basically, I will with circle, then draw lightly, grab your pencil lightly, then start drawing. Remember, draw lightly, hold your pencil with less pressure. Just draw whatever you're drawing until you finish drought sketch, then start adding details. Here's you can see difference. Tip number 3, use reference to draw at the beginner level. It is hard to draw with imagination or even for intimidated person. So use the reference different search, any character and start drawing. Tip number 4, you're struggling to ink your art, your hands shake. It is better move the page accordingly. As your wrist is comfortable, rotate it and do it slowly. Don't rush and do not double ink on it. It can make stokes, so to make smooth outline ink, slowly. Tip number 5. The last tip of the video, practice more and more as much as you can. Like draw anything you like. Try to express it on sheet. If you make a mistake, don't erase it, just me. Chill draw, even it come out, looks bad. Don't worry, you will get better with time. Everything needs the time, so just practice and follow my guidance.